things. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
सो हे गाइस, गरुड़ ब्लॉग में बने रहने के लिए आप लोग को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। और मेरा पेंटिंग हो चुका है कंप्लीट। बहुत मेहनत करने के बाद ये पेंटिंग मैं ख़त्म किया हूँ, बस यही सब चीज़ के मदद से। और इसको आप रूम डेकोरेशन के लिए काम में लगा सकते हैं। वॉल के किसी भी कोने में आप इसको फ़ोटो फ्रेम करके कलर को मैच करके आप इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। तो गाइस, ऐसा ही अनोखा DIY या मेरा पेंटिंग देखने के लिए गरुड़ ब्लॉग्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन को हिट कीजिएगा, ताकि मेरा वीडियो यूट्यूब में अपलोड होते ही आप लोग के पास नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाए। तो गाइस, मेरा आर्ट कैसा लग रहा है आप लोग को? अगर आप लोग के पास कीमती समय है मेरे लिए तो लिख के भेजिएगा। अगर मेरा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा, ताकि मुझे और मोटिवेशन हासिल हो आप लोग के लाइक से, और मैं अपना चैनल को ग्रो कर पाऊँ यूट्यूब में। तो गाइस, thank you so much.